Hi everyone, my name is Without Treasure Hunt and welcome back to the channel. And yes, I've got my hat on. It's cold. So, when it's cold, what's good to eat is chili. So, they made, I'm going to show y'all here in a minute. This is their chili with regular, this is with regular hamburger. Can y'all see that? Does that look good? I'm so disappointed. But I am making me chili. And I am adding some different things in mine. Just because I can have some fillers. So I'm going to put some corn in it. We're going to put some red kidney beans. And I do have a video of my turkey chili on the channel. I will put that at the end in the not iCard, but the end screen. Alright, come on all the goodness of the beans. You know the saying? There's a couple in there that won't come out. There it goes. Alrighty. And I've already cooked my turkey, ground turkey. And so we're going to add this to it. And now we're going to season everything. So I'm going to turn this up and get this started. Now, I am not adding any tomato paste or tomatoes to this because I'm trying to see what's causing inflammation. You know, so I might have to add a little bit more water to it. And that'll be alright. There we go. So I'm going to turn that up on my high, turn the this up on high. And we've got the sink fixed now. And the stove will be next. But we're going to add some onion powder. All about, I don't know, as much as you like in it. We're going to have some garlic powder. Just a little bit of salt. I'm going to add some chives. We don't have no regular onions. Just haven't been lasting long enough for us to eat, you know. Think of, you know, how much you spend on food nowadays, and you know, like onions and stuff not lasting as long as it used to, or it should. It's not really worth buying it right now. So we're gonna mix this up. Now for color, since I don't have tomato paste or tomato sauce or anything, what I'm going to do is a little bit of my turmeric, cumin, and ginger. Which, you know, sometimes it does go into chili, but so I'm going to add a little bit of that, about half a teaspoon in there to give it that color. And we're going to let this come up to a boil and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Then I'll bring you back when it's time to plate it up.